art competition? I love drawing. Me too. I'm going to draw a dinosaur.
Everyone gets new colored pencils. Draw anything that makes you happy.
So many colors. I want to draw a butterfly with big pink wings.
The animated video you just watched wasn't made by a professional animation studio. It wasn't created in Blender or any expensive animation software. In fact, the entire video was made using just one AI tool. But that's not even the most interesting part. Creators are already using this type of content to get millions of views on YouTube. Some of these channels are getting 4 to 5 million views every single month, which can translate into tens of thousands of dollars in estimated monthly revenue. And here's what surprised me the most. Many brand new channels are also reaching millions of views in a surprisingly short time with this exact content style. Now, you might have seen people creating similar videos using nothing more than a voiceover and a few static images. While some of those videos do get good views, they may not offer much original value and can face monetization challenges over time. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a much stronger workflow that creates fully animated, story-driven videos with original visual content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create your own animated videos with consistent characters, multi-character lip sync, and cinematic storytelling, even if you've never made an animation before. So, let's get started. Today, we're going to use an amazing AI tool called Anijam AI. This tool doesn't just create multi-character lip sync animations. It also offers many powerful AI features that make the entire video creation process much easier. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. All right, let's begin. First, create your account, and once you've signed up, simply click on New Project. Now you'll see the main dashboard. On the left side, you'll find different tools to build your project. And on the right side, you'll see the AI agent. This is the most important part because it will help us create almost the entire video from start to finish. But before we ask the AI to create anything, we need one important thing: a story. Here's a quick tip that can save you a lot of time. Instead of creating one random video at a time, plan an entire series in advance. Create a content schedule first. Then turn that story into episode-by-episode videos using the same characters. This makes your channel feel like a real animated series instead of a collection of unrelated videos. To make this even easier, you can use ChatGPT and Claude to build your own content workflow. For example, you could create a family drama with different everyday situations, then simply divide it into multiple episodes. Each episode becomes a new video while using the same characters and the same world. It's faster, more organized, and your audience will quickly become familiar with your characters. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Instead of creating new characters for every video, I'll build 12 main characters that I can reuse in future episodes. The best part is that I only have to create them once. After that, I can use the same characters again and again throughout the entire series. So, let's open Characters. Click Build Your Character, and then choose Start with Description. Now I'll enter the name of my first character and paste my character prompt. Once that's done, it's time to choose a character style. You'll find several different styles here, so feel free to explore them and choose the one that best matches your project. In my case, I'm choosing Pixie Pop 3D. Why? Because it gives the characters a beautiful Pixar-like look. The facial expressions are much more lively. The characters feel more expressive, and overall they look perfect for animated storytelling videos. If you're planning to build a long-term series, keeping the same visual style across every episode is very important, and I think this style does an excellent job. Alright, now simply click Generate Character. Within a few seconds, Anijam generates multiple versions of the character. In my case, I got two options. I personally like the first one more, so I'll select it and click Start Building. And that's it! Our first character is ready. Now creating the rest of the characters is super easy. Just repeat the same process. Enter the character's name, paste the character description, choose the same style, and click Generate. I repeated these steps until I had all 12 main characters ready. As you can see, they're now saved inside my character library. And honestly, this is one of my favorite features because I can reuse these exact same characters in every future episode. That keeps the entire series visually consistent, saves a lot of time, and makes it easier for viewers to recognize the characters. Alright, now comes the most exciting part. We're finally going to create our animated video. And this is where the AI agent does almost all of the heavy lifting. On the right side, you'll find the AI agent. This is where you can upload audio, videos, images, scripts, and other assets. But for this tutorial, we don't need to upload anything yet. Instead, the first thing I'll do is give the AI a simple instruction so it understands exactly what we're trying to create. I want to create a recurring animated YouTube series for English learners. I want Data Ben. I already have my main characters. I will provide one episode at a time. Please remember to keep all scenes simple, cinematic, and dialogue-driven with consistent characters. Now, simply press enter. Perfect. The AI agent immediately understands our project and is ready to help us build the series. It also recommends 3 production modes: AI Director Mode, Workflow Mode, and Oscar Film Mode. For this project, I'll choose Oscar Film Mode because it delivers the most cinematic results. It creates better scene composition, smoother camera movements, and gives the final animation a much more polished, movie-like feel. Next, the AI asks us to choose a video model. Right now, Cdance 2.0 Mini offers the best balance between quality and credit usage. It produces excellent results while using fewer credits than the larger models, so I recommend selecting this one. Once you've selected it, simply click Confirm. Perfect! Oscar Film Mode is now locked in. Now the AI agent wants to learn a little more about our story. It asks 3 simple questions. Who are your main characters? Where does the story take place? And what happens in episode 1? Don't worry, you don't have to write everything from scratch every time. I already prepared a prompt that explains all of my main characters, their personalities, and the role each one plays in the first episode. This gives the AI enough context to generate a much more accurate story. Now let's paste the prompt and press enter. Perfect. The AI now fully understands our project and automatically suggests the best project configuration. For the audience, I'll select all ages. For the platform, I'll choose YouTube. Since we're creating a standard YouTube video, I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. As for the duration, you can choose whatever fits your content. If you're creating longer episodes, simply increase it. For this tutorial, I'll keep it at 3 minutes. Once everything looks good, simply click Confirm. Great! Now the AI gives us 3 options: Generate Outline Now, Add a Cold Open, and Add More Details. For this tutorial, I'll simply choose Generate Outline Now. Within a few seconds, the AI creates a complete story outline. As you can see, it understands the story really well and plans the entire flow from beginning to end. But that's not all. Right after generating the outline, it automatically starts creating the title, the complete script, and the scene-by-scene breakdown. In just a few moments, our production-ready script is ready. Now let's move to style design. This step defines the visual identity of your entire series, so make sure you choose the same style you selected while creating your characters. Keeping the style consistent is important because you want every episode to look like it's part of the same animated series. Since I've already created all of my characters, I want to make sure the AI reuses them. So before moving forward, I'll send one quick confirmation message. Since I have already created the characters, will you be using them? Because I need to use the same characters in future episodes as well. Once the AI confirms that, we're ready to continue. Now click Concept Design. This is where the AI starts preparing the visual concepts for your story, including the characters, backgrounds, and locations. Next, click Generate All Concepts. You'll see 2 options: generate only the first concept or generate all concept images. I'll choose Generate All Concepts, so everything is ready before moving to the next step. And there we go. As you can see, all of our characters, backgrounds, locations, and important visual elements are ready. Now click Continue to Story Segments, and once that's finished, select Generate Video Clips. Again, you'll see 2 options: generate only the first clip or generate all the clips. Here's a quick tip. I always recommend generating the first clip before rendering the entire episode. This lets you check the animation quality and saves credits if you want to make any changes. Let's preview the first clip.
You're eating like a dinosaur. Rawr! I'm a T-Rex eating an entire forest. You've got a milk forest on your face.
Wow, the quality looks fantastic. The lip sync is smooth, the character animation looks natural, the camera movement feels cinematic, and overall I'm really happy with the result. Since everything looks good, I'll go ahead and click Generate All Remaining Clips. That's it, our full episode is now rendering. Depending on your video's length, this may take a few minutes, but since we're using Cdance 2.0 Mini, the rendering is much faster while still delivering excellent quality. Alright, our video is now ready. As you can see, all of the clips have been generated successfully. The next step is generating the background music. Simply click Generate BGM. Within a few seconds, the AI creates music that matches your video automatically. Once it's finished, click Render Preview Video. After about a minute, your preview will be ready. You can download it immediately, or if you'd like to make a few final changes, just open the timeline. This is where you have complete control over your project. You can adjust the background music volume, replace clips, change animations, reposition elements, modify the scale or opacity, and make any final tweaks before exporting. Once you're happy with everything, simply click Export and render your video in full HD. And that's it! Your animated video is now ready to publish on YouTube. But wait, there's still one important thing missing: subtitles. If you're creating English learning videos, subtitles are essential because they make it much easier for viewers to follow the conversation and improve their listening skills. To add subtitles, you can use any video editor you like, such as Premiere Pro, Microsoft Clipchamp, or DaVinci Resolve. In my case, I'm using Premiere Pro. Simply create a new project and import your video. Then go to the text panel. Generate the transcript first, and once it's ready, click Create Captions. Now you can customize the captions however you like. Change the font, adjust the size, choose your favorite colors, add a background, or style them to match your video's theme. Once everything looks good, simply export the video. And that's it. Your subtitles are now added, and your video is completely ready to upload to YouTube. Now let's watch the final result.
You're eating like a dinosaur. Rawr! I'm a T-Rex eating an entire forest. You've got a milk forest on your face.
First day back. Are you excited?
Yeah! I can't wait to see my desk again. It's the best one right by the window.
Save some dinosaurs for later. Have a great day, sweetie.
Bye, Mom! Bye, Emma! Try not to roar too loud in class. That window seat is the best. You can see the big tree and the playground. I really hope nobody took it.
Wow, this turned out even better than I expected. The animation looks smooth, the storytelling flows naturally, the lip sync is accurate, and the multi-character conversations feel surprisingly realistic. It's honestly hard to believe that this entire video was created using just one AI tool. The only thing you should keep in mind is the credit usage. Creating a complete animated episode, especially with multiple scenes, can use a significant number of credits. So before starting a full series, I recommend checking the pricing and understanding how the credit system works. Now I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Anijam AI is worth the credits? Would you use it for your own YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my future AI tutorials.